everyone, so my name is Goya Manfalaite and I'm currently residing in Denmark. So I'm going to present my project of network for CS50 web. So let's start with my project. So first of all, let's create a post. I already logged in here, so you can see my account and my account name showing up. So let's create some posts. So for example, I write, today is a good day, and I add a post. And after, I'm redirected to the main page, and I have today is a good day. Okay, so in this page, in index page, I can see all my posts together with pagination, which shows 10 posts at most. I have more, so it shows more, but it's 10 posts per page. Okay, so I have my post. So I can go to my profile. So in my profile, I don't have any followers and no one is following me, so I have 0. And my only post is today is a good day, created today. And you can also see time when it was created, also like number and content and function for editing and liking post. Okay, so I go back to my main page and I'm just going to following. Well, it's empty because I have no followers. So I have to go to network again and to follow someone. So for example, I can follow Sakura. So I press this little person and I can follow Sakura. So Sakura's followers +1, and if I go to my page, I have following +1. And I go to following and I have Sakura's post in my following page. Okay. Also, as I mentioned, we have pagination here, which shows 10 posts at most. Also, I can edit, I can like or unlike posts. So for example here, I press, today is a good day, and I just edit, weather is also good. Also good. And I just press this tick and my post is saved. Also, I can like my post and it adds likes +1. I can also like Sakura's post. I can like another Sakura's post. So thank you so much for your attention and I hope you enjoyed my project.